I am Marco Bruti and now I will show you how to create a simple pinball table using PinballMaker. Now I am clicking on the create table menu option. Then I will load an already made table using the load icon here. I have assigned the 100 number to this table. Here is a simple pinball table that I have created in advance. Now I clicking on the play button, I will show you how the pinball table is rendered using 3D bulk physics library. Using the buttons M and Z, I will move the right and left levers. Using the space bar or the central button, I will launch the ball. Of course, on the tablet I will use the soft buttons, while on my PC I am using the keyboard keys. I have disabled the sound. Okay. Now you can see I can switch the view from the perspective view to the planar view. You can play the pinball as it were a 2D pinball. Okay. After the 3 balls went to the drain, the screen is switched again to the editor. In that editor, screen is divided in some areas. The area on the right part of the screen is used in order to put the pinball elements icons. When I want to create a new element, I have to click on one of the icons. For example, the spinner element. Clicking on the spinner icon, I create an element in a random place, in a random location of the table. Then I could, for example, test it using the ball icon and placing the ball just near the element. Then I can test. I cannot see anything because there is planar view. Now I switch to the perspective view again. Okay, I see that it works. Now for each element on the table, I can assign a number of properties. On the left area of the screen, there is a list of all the properties. Some of the properties are editable, the ones with the edit button near the label. Other properties are not editable. For example, name is assigned a standard name according to naming convention. X, Y and Z are the coordinate location. The angle is Y angle. The width, depth and so on. The scale and other properties are set using the buttons, the actions that are located in the right part of the screen at the bottom. For example, if I want to rotate one of the element, I have to select it using the dashed box icon. Okay, now I can rotate the element using the rotate right, rotate left, and you can see that the angle is modified according to the rotation. Then I can scale the element in order to increase the width. Example, the width. I can enlarge the element or reduce the element. Let's have a look at the appearance of the element. Yes, you can see that the size of the element is bigger than before. We can assign to the element, for example, to this bumper element, the score, for example, 100 points. So if the ball hit this element, 100 points are scored. On the electronic table you can see the score that is increased by the ball hitting the element. And there are a lot of other properties that we can assign. For example, we can raise, lift the element in order to put, for example, under some platform. Only to give you an example, I create a little box. Okay, I take the ball, I move the ball here. You can see that the ball is under this box. It's not visible because it is at elevation 0. It is attached to the surface. In order to see the ball over this box, I have to raise its height. So I select the height button, and then I can lift the element. It's not visible because this is a flat view, but if I move the ball, I can see that the ball now is over. In order to have an idea of the exact position, I can see this height bar. So if I click on the box, I see that the height of the box is 5 units. Then I click on the ball, and I see that the ball is located not really at 5 but at 4 units. So I can raise another unit. Okay, and now if I try to render the pinball in 3D, I can see that ball over the element. Example, in order to see better, I can enlarge. Okay, now we have the ball on top of the box. And with this last demo, I'll greet you. I thank you for your listening, and see you for the next video, which we will deepen our knowledge in the PinballMaker editing, and particularly in the language that is used to define the logic, to create the logic for managing bonuses, scores, writings on the scoreboard, and so on. Thanks.